Hey there, YouTube. The lawnmower that my dad was fixing over here, it caught fire. My dad almost got hurt. I was doing some cleaning the house, just to get some vacuuming the floor, and this is what happened. And guess what happened to the battery in the van? It got burnt to a crisp, so they had to move it. Now the van won't even start now, officially. And now we got the firemen over here. Yeah, this almost caught the van on fire.
I just put gas, a little bit of gas in it.
Damn.
Up in my back of my van.
Man, that stinks. It would have caught the van on fire, and my dad carries around gas cans in case you needed to fill up the lawnmowers. That thing would have blown right up. Now the only good car, well, my dad got the thing underneath the car fixed, I think. See? We had to call our fire team, the fire department. Yeah, my mom just told me what happened, and I immediately... Damn. Well, there goes the lawnmower. There goes the lawnmower.
Nah, we can fix it.
You sure?
Oh, yeah. Yep.
You better hope so.
Oh, yeah.
Between you and me, YouTube, I don't think it's worth it. I think this one would be more worth it. Yeah, great. In the fire department, that's one of the newer ones. But man, does that... Oh, that stinks. The fuel burning. Luckily, my dad jumped right off.
Just don't smoke your cigarette or anything. Just don't smoke.
Unless you want to blow up.
Had a gas leak on.
What happened? The gas line broke?
Yeah, I think so. And then when he tried to start it,
Oh, he jumped right off, didn't he?
Kind of burned it up, I guess.
Would this one start?
Yeah, we gotta fix the pulley on it. Remember when he hit that brick over there that day and messed it up?
I better get going, YouTubers. See you later. Bye.